All right, another exciting day here back at Rock Village in Middleborough. The roofers are here. The sun isn't shining, so it keeps the temperature down so nobody's getting cooked up on top of the roof. Right now, we're stripping that old roofing off. We're gonna get ready to do any repairs on the sheathing, paper it, put the skylights in, and put a brand new roof on it. Let's take a walk and see what they're up to. This is what I love seeing. These guys are so talented. This is Jose and his crew from A1 Construction. We use them for all of our roofing. They do a lot of sidewalling for us. They just have a whole team. They're up there, they're all strapped in, proper safety equipment, and they have these foam pads up there, which are kind of neat. They actually stick to the roof and they can shimmy around to make it nice and safe to work. But they've got these shovels, what they're called stripping shovels, and they just slowly as a team work their way down the roof. They'll have this whole entire roof stripped and papered and then start putting a new roof on probably partway through the day today. They might even finish today. If not, it might be tomorrow. Let me tell you, roofing is definitely a high risk situation. It's a thing that all of us when we're younger do without a second thought, crawling along the ridge, stripping off the shingles. It's a lot of fun to do. The older you start to get, the more you think about, well, what if I fall? So that's why we love to hire professionals. It takes a full team here at Full Circle, and all of the subcontractors we work with are just as important as our direct team. We couldn't do it without these guys. We're back at Rock Village and it has been just a gangbuster of a couple of days here. We've got a brand new chimney, all rebuilt, and the roofers got here and just killed it. We were really racing hard against this impending rain. We're supposed to get hit with a nor'easter tomorrow and the skies just look absolutely threatening. But we got it done, so now the building is watertight from the top down, and we're starting to put in windows. I want to give you guys a little look so you can see how much of a difference these brand new windows make in this building. Come on. We've got these Anderson True Divide windows that mimic the exact size and style of the historic schoolhouse windows that were in here. They're gonna have a really nice look. They're all black, and it's gonna really pop against the white clapboard siding that we're gonna do. Now, in the bedroom back here, we've had time to install some of them, and it just really makes all the difference in the world. Let's check it out. This is one of my favorite times as we start a restoration like this. Look at what these Anderson True Divide windows just do. This wall was papered before. We had the windows cut out or were framed in, but we didn't have the holes and we didn't have any light coming through. This just shows you how much natural light is gonna pour into this building. When we got here, it was dark and dank and had been neglected for years, but now it's really starting to look like a home. Jen hasn't seen these in person yet, so I can't wait until she's on site and we have the rest of these windows in. I think it's just going to let her design inspiration just pop, and she's gonna start to get really excited at the next steps. So we're in the second floor of the Rock Village School, and we have just put a brand new roof on, and we've got our skylights in. Again, natural light to us is always really important. And then we're also going to have some casement windows here that are emergency egress windows. We've got one in this bedroom and one in the bedroom on the other side. Let's go take a look at that. Now, the amazing, interesting design of the hipped roofs that we have going on here with this layover between the hip in the front and the hip in the back made an amazing architectural feature. So we were able to put a skylight on each side. And then again, we're gonna have a casement window, an egress window right down here. It's all about safety, function, but also design. It's gonna let all this natural light in, and this nice big bedroom is just gonna probably be the room that whoever lives here next is gonna fight over it in the family.